All right, hey guys, Chase here. We are back with another unboxing. This time it is the 2002R protection pack from New Balance. The colorway I believe is like blue and dark navy, or dark navy and gray, something of that sort, but hot. So gonna kind of just freestyle this one. We've all seen New Balance sneakers before. The 2002R is one that has kind of been coming back. The protection pack definitely has a lot of hype around it. So every time we get it, I'm excited to get it online and release it so that y'all can buy it. But yeah, I'm just gonna kind of call out some things here that you might not have noticed in product photos. But right off the bat, I think it's cool. The tongue is kind of like raw, if you will. Just kind of got this foam padding that would actually be on the inside of the tongue. Got this foam padding just left kind of raw and open on the outside. It is sort of hemmed, I suppose you could say, so it's not going to fray or kind of like, wear inward, but left raw, a very organic kind of cut, as if somebody was not using like a clicking machine, and more so just like cutting the leather out with a scissor or a X-Acto knife or a blade or what have you. But just a cool little kind of detail that kind of carries on throughout the shoe. Kind of same deal here. This plastic heel cup showing through to the padding that's on the inside of the fabric there. Kind of circling back around to the front. Same deal. So it's lots of layers of leather and mesh and man-made materials, but kind of all sewn together to ultimately like complete the pattern itself. So again, it's really cool. It's like organically cut out. It's not a perfect shape, but I think that's kind of what everyone's into. That's what draws the attention to it. But yeah, little 2002R hit here. I really like this kind of deal. Reminds me of being in 7th grade, first day of school. Everyone's got on Nike Shox, and you're like, man, I bet they could dunk. But yeah, these are sick. Lots of cushion. The top down silhouette is nice, really similar to like a 990. It's not super wide, not super narrow. Got a decent amount of volume in the shoe here itself. Chunky-ish, maybe you could say, just because some of the details here in the sole. But yeah, overall, it's just a dope shoe. I like to see what New Balance does in terms of like pushing it. There's so many sneakers being released so often now that it's nice to see something, very different. They kind of took a risk here, cutting everything all kind of crazy and then stitching it together, but it really does work. I like the sort of like graying of the sole on the bottom. Kind of looks a little dead stocky in my opinion. But yeah, these are dope. 2002R protection pack. If you're watching this, we've already got it online, kind of like that Drake record. If you're watching this, if you're reading this, it's too late. Anyway, yeah, they're dope. Nice cushion. You could wear these within your EG fatigues, dad fits, Gorp Core, whatever, what have you. But yeah, protection pack 2002R, dark navy. Appreciate you guys. Talk soon.
All right. If you're still here, you're in luck. I've got a little surprise for you. We'd like to offer you all access to our early Black Friday discount. That will end November 23rd. Obviously, we'll roll into our Black Friday as well. But if you want early access, use the code EARLYBF22 at checkout for 30% off anything from our store. Thank you.